So we are going to learn how to solve this equation. So first thing we are going to do is to write down the question again. So we have x raised to the power log 2 base 7 multiplying 3 raised to the power log x base 7 equals 36. Okay, so this is the question we have, and we have to find the value of x. Okay, so this is how you can go about it. We are going to change the base of this log right here. Now, why do we want to do it like that? We are going to change the base to a base 3 so that this base right here will be the same as the base over here, that they can cancel out to get rid of the base 3 over here. Okay, so when we do that, we are going to get a new base which will be an x. So in that case, the new base x over here together with this base x over here, we can multiply those two by adding their exponents to get a very simplified equation. Okay, so let's proceed and then do that. So we are going to change this base, the base over here, the base of the log, to a base 3. Okay, so that is going to be, we are still maintaining the first term, multiplying 3 raised to the power. So changing this to log of base 3, that means here changes to 3, we maintain the x. Then we divide this by the same log to the base 3, but the number here becomes the initial base we had over here, which is 7. Okay, so it becomes 7. Then this will be equal to 36. So this whole thing is the new exponent. Okay, so we can proceed and then write this as 3 raised to the power. We want the base over here to cancel out the base right here. Okay, so if you have a raised to the power log x of base a, this is simply x. So we want to write this in terms of that. Okay, so how are we going to do that? We can send the denominator of the fraction over here outside, so we are going to get just this raised to the power 1 over log base 3 of 7 equals 36. Okay, so from here we can proceed and then write this as log to the base 7 of 2 multiplying, so the whole of the term in the brackets becomes just an x. Okay, so it becomes just an x. So we are going to get x raised to the power 1 over log 7 base 3 equals 36. Okay, so from here we've now seen that they are all having the same base, x and then x. So to multiply a number with the same base, we can simply just add the exponents. Okay, but I want us to go through the process for simplifying it. Okay, so right from here we can just use your calculator. You add these two exponents, then you just take 1 over the answer you have on both sides to get your answer. Okay, but we want us to go through the process. So from here we can still write it as that. Then we want to change this base back to base 7. Okay, so that's going to give us x raised to the power log to the base 7 of 3. I don't want us to go through the procedure, but if you go through the procedures, you're still going to get that. Okay, so to multiply two terms of the same basis, what do? We add their exponents, right? So we are multiplying this with that. So we are going to get x raised to the power of log 2 base 7 plus log 3 base 7, then this being equal to 36. So that's going to give us x raised to the power log 7. This 2 multiplies this 3 to give us a 6 equals 36. So you want to get x, what do we do? It's quite simple, right? You can just take can just take 1 over log 6 base 7 on both sides. So we are going to get this. So that this cancels out that to give us x equals 36 raised to the power 1 of log 6 base 7. So from here, you can simply use your calculator to get your answer. So using our calculator, 36 raised to the power log to the base 7 of 6, that gives us 49. Okay, so this gives us 49 as our answer. But if you still want us to go through the process of and to know why we had 49, then that's fine. So we want to change this to a base 6, right? So that's going to give us that. Okay, and we can write this as 6 squared, right? And the whole of this raised to the power of that. Okay, we can move the 2 out to get 6 raised to the power 2 log 7 base 6, right? Then we can write this as 6 raised to the power log 7 squared base 6. And this gives us 6 raised to the power log 49 base 6. Then since this base is the same thing as that, they somehow cancel out, okay, to give us just 49. Okay, but once you get here, once you get to the side, you can just use your calculator to get your final answer. Okay, so that's how you can go about solving this question. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Please do also like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.